Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindi newspaper Sudoku puzzle on November 6, 2022. 5-star Sudoku. Column I, column G, and 8th row we have pair numbers 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column G, 8th row we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 10th row we have 5 and 7. So 5 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 8th row we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 7th grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 9, 2. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 6th grade, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then 2nd row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. Column D also we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. 9 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then column B, we have 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column D, we already have 9. So now 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 7th grade, only 1 number is remaining. 2. 2 is confirmed here. 9th grade, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 9. Column H, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. The 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 7. 10th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 3rd grade and 2nd row, we have 8 and 1. So 1 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. 5th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then column J, only 1 number is remaining. 2. 2 is confirmed here. Then 3rd grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 4, 7, 8. 3rd row and 4th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 8. 3rd row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column H, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 4th grade, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 3. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 3rd row and 4th row, we have 4. Column B also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 4th grade, we have 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 4th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then column D, 2 numbers are remaining. 6 and 8. 5th row, we have 8. So it can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 7 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 1st grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 6, 9, 8. 2nd row, we have 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. 3rd row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then 1st grade, only 1 number is remaining. 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then 2nd row, 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 5. Column E, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 3rd row, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 6. Column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 7th grade, only 1 number is remaining. 9. 9 is confirmed here. 10th row, column E, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. the 9 is confirmed here. Ninth row, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. Column E, we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. The 9th grade, only one number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. Then 10th row, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. Column E, we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column G, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 8, 9. Fifth row, we have 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come this cell, it will come in the two cells. Sixth row, we will already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then column G, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 7, 2. Fifth row and sixth row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Then two numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 6. Fifth row, 7th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Fifth row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Fifth row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Fifth row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Sixth row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Sixth row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column F, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. Seventh row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.